everyone, it's Makeup by Dej. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I created this really simple, beginner friendly, neutral, natural, minimal makeup look for you guys. Since I did such a dramatic look for my first Valentine's Day tutorial, you know, this is still probably dramatic for some people, but it's much more toned down for me. The wing, it makes it really dramatic, so you don't have to do such a dramatic wing like me. Go for what you know, go for how you feel. Say hey to Johnny. This is one of my favorite shirts, this Johnny Depp shirt. If you guys like this look, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Dej. I hope you guys are proud. I'm back with another video. This is awesome. Also, another video is going up before this one where I style these shirt box braids for you guys, show you a couple different styles. Let's get on to the tutorial, you guys. Okay, so we're just gonna get started with the face like usual, using Allegro Pro Concealer and Warm Honey. I'm telling you I want you, would you say you care? I really try. Baby, I can make your dreams come true. Oh, lady in a class dress, see right through you. See right through you. Going right into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour and Highlight Kit, and this is in the shade Deep. I'm like hoarse 85% of the time of my life. Like, it's kind of like it runs in my family, like the voice raspiness. This is my first time really talking a lot today, so do it. I had ballet this morning. Baby, we gon' celebrate like it's a holiday. You've been eyeing me all this time, and girl, I want you to cry. This song is Oh Yeah by Chris Brown. The one I was listening to before this was Lady in a Glass Dress. It was the full version. This is a SoundCloud playlist that I have. I don't really have like a SoundCloud account. It's just like user and a whole bunch of numbers. I think I could post like the link in my description if y'all want to listen to these. It's a bunch of Chris Brown songs. There are a couple of Tone Stith songs. He's an artist that I found on SoundCloud, and he's getting really big now, and he just sings so well. So like usually this is how I get ready with music, like, so like making videos like while I'm not listening to music and it's just like silent in my room is kind of weird for me. So I was just like, you know what, I'm listening to my playlist while I do my makeup today. Me, let me focus on me. See, this is Tone Stith's Focus Response. I think it's Tone. I mean, his real name I know is Antonio, but like it's just T-O-N-E he goes by, so that's Tone to me. Oh, I'm just setting everything with my baby powder. CoverGirl Clean Bronzer and Ebony Bronze of Flippin' Course. So yeah, I do sing, but I'm not like a singer. I don't really sing solo a lot. I mean, I sing solo, you know, with myself. But I mean, I sing the choir at church, praise team at church, you know, like that, stuff like that. I've led songs before, but you know, I just rather not. I think I have a nice voice, but you know, I'm still working on it, and I'm not like totally confident in singing in front of people. Me, Okay, so we're back. Brows are on. Nose is snatched. Tears and down. Okay, so also another thing about this SoundCloud playlist is it has songs on it. This is called Treading Water. It has songs on it that only like really diehard Chris Brown fans would know, and everybody that knows me knows I'm a diehard Chris Brown fan. I love him. He's just so talented to me. Like, he just is talented. Like, he's just so talented, and like he just executes so well. He gives 100%, over 100%, 110% in everything that he does, and he just, I can go on and on about him all day, but I just really love him, and I love his work because I believe that he gives us all. So now I'm going to spray my face with some water. I forgot to clarify in my last video, this is water in this spray bottle. I use just plain H2O, and it works for me. So here we go, beauty guru time. And then we're dabbing. Okay, so now we're gonna go into these eyes, which are gonna be very simple, neutral, beginner friendly, easy, alpha. Hey, wanna see you whine it, I'ma get up behind it. Love the way you shake it like that. Don't be shy, girl, go. I'm gonna go back into the CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in Ebony Bronze on my little ankle fluffy blending brush. Just like that. Going that wing shape that we like so much. Now I'm gonna go straight on the lid with like a cream eyeshadow. Cream colored eyeshadow, I should say. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how to go. Fair share of admirers to call your phone. And then what I'm gonna do is take the same shade. Like, I go right up in here, like next to my nose contour, and just look with the brush like this. And it just creates like a perfect little highlight right there. It's like, and if it gets a little bit too bold, like that side, I went like ham. Just blend it out with a clean blending brush. And I'm like Jordan wearing 45. I told you I was coming back. Now we're going to do a wing. Now, this is important, okay? We're gonna break this down, okay? I'm gonna break it down. Draw a line from the corner of my lash line. And you have that. That's the base of your wing. And then just draw a triangle like that. Oh my goodness! Okay, so I just had to step away because, you know, I got frustrated. My wings be trying to play me on camera. So I had to deal with them off of camera. You wanna see love? It's invincible like the air. You still feel it. So here's your chance to feel more than life. I love this song. It just makes me feel great. I don't know. This is Chris Brown. This is called Stars. I'm just gonna take a mixture of browns from my Urban 99 Luxe BH Cosmetics palette and add that to my crease just to deepen it up just a tad on the edges. Okay, so this is what we have. Be waiting. Chris is like, he really belts on this song. This is called Take It Off. Take it off, take it off. But now we have this. And I'm going underneath the lower lash line with just the CoverGirl Queen Bronzer. We're not going to do much underneath. Remember, this is a simple look. Listen to this though. I'm anticipating, please don't keep me waiting. Take it off, take it off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go put on lashes and mascara, and I'll be back. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Candlelight to get the mood right. Oh, baby. Favorite part. Just listen to this, listen to this. Yeah. Ah! That's Last All Night by Chris Brown. Such an amazing song. Do you see that? Who back in last night? I can't even lie, lie, lie. Like, what really made me fall in love with this song in the first place, he sampled Lady in My Life, Michael Jackson, which is my other favorite artist of all time. And Lady in My Life is like one of my favorite songs. So I was like, ah! And then the song go hard. Ooh, baby, I'm a... Last but not least, we're gonna do a nice red matte lip. Balenciaga, look at tricks, look at her move. Yeah, this is one of my favorite songs. This is Leave the Club, Chris Brown featuring Joel James. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild pencil. It's like fire engine red. Ah! Just do that a couple times. And then what I'm gonna do, since this is a little creamy, it's a little trick that I learned a long time ago from Andrea's Choice. She was one of the first YouTubers like I ever started watching. So I'm just gonna take my baby powder, translucent powder. It doesn't matter, whatever translucent powder you said with, you could just go over that. This works with any lipstick that's not like matte. Just make it matte. Is the finished look though, guys. It's really simple, you know, for all the people that don't want to be, you know, doing all that pink and purple crap. Oh my god, it's for Valentine's Day and want something really quick, simple, and easy. This is for you. You don't have to do red lips with this. I mean, any lip color would go with this. So let me know if you like this look. Thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Deej. All the products that I used on my face will be listed down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Mwah.